Best deals.
1. Deep frying pot. It is made of high-quality stainless steel. It is compatible with all cooktops, including induction cooker, electric stoves, gas. It is equipped with a thermometer to keep an eye on the temperature during cooking, can get a higher level of fried food and can make oil temperature control more. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Drainer stand. Elevate your cooking experience with this innovative stand designed to enhance efficiency and convenience. Maximize kitchen space with the compact design. The stand neatly holds your pot while draining, eliminating clutter. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Square tawa. Is crafted without any coating, offering a natural non-stick surface. The square shape provides a larger cooking surface area compared to round tawas, allowing to cook larger ingredients like fillets of fish or long vegetables. The square shape with its corners allows for easier access when flipping or stirring food, especially useful for dishes that require frequent turning. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Gas burner stand. Works when used above a gas pan supporter, comfortably fits on most gas hob stove burner supporters. Use this as a steel trivet for hot utensils. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Cutting board. Features a stainless steel pull-out tray for easy collection and transfer of chopped ingredients, reducing kitchen mess and hassle. Eco-friendly wooden kitchen tool with natural resistance to stains, odors, and moisture, equipped with non-slip feet and ergonomic side handles for safe, stable use and easy carrying around your kitchen. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Cooker. Featuring a heavy gauge heat diffusing metal core, this pressure cooker ensures consistent cooking results by evenly spreading heat from the base to the sides. The outer layer, made of magnetic stainless steel, renders compatibility with both gas and induction cooktops. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Cookie cutters. Each cutting mold is crafted from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and safety for all your baking needs. The rust-resistant material is easy to clean and designed to withstand frequent use, making these cutters a long-lasting addition to your kitchen or baking toolkit. The ergonomic handle design reduces hand fatigue, allowing you to cut through dough smoothly and efficiently. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Electric kettle. Comes with a steamer, which can be used to steam vegetables, dumplings. The design of cooking and steaming at the same time can improve your cooking efficiency and meet your daily needs in a limited space. Ceramic kettle, electric food grade double-layered body with non-stick coated inner pot and plastic outer body. It will not release harmful substances even under high temperature conditions. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Saucepan. Features a unique curved body design, which allows for easy stirring of even the most challenging dishes. Made with an extra thick 3 mm tri-ply construction, this handy retains heat exceptionally well and ensures even cooking, eliminating hot spots and scorching. Versatile in its use, the tri-ply handy is ideal for a wide variety of recipes. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Trivets. This eye-catching set features 2 circular trivets that fit neatly together for compact storage. To use, simply peel apart and place down with the raised dots facing upwards. They're stain resistant. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Peeler. Its rotating head lets you switch blades with a twist, providing unmatched versatility for prepping potatoes, carrots, or even zucchini noodles with ease. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Coffee mug. Earth-friendly and sustainable. Statement mug is extremely lightweight and impact-resistant to withstand everyday use. It is also dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Dough maker. Powerful 1400W motor with pure copper winding delivers efficient, high-performance mixing for all your everyday kitchen needs. 10 speed settings with LED indicator and pulse function gives you precise control for effortless beating, whisking, and kneading. Splash guard for a clean, mess-free experience prevents spills and splashes, keeping your kitchen neat while you mix, whisk, or knead. Enhanced safety with overheat protection and safety lock designed to ensure safe and reliable operation during every use. Complete mixing set for versatile use includes main unit, dough hook, beater, whisk, and a large 6L stainless steel bowl for all your recipes. 1.5L blending jar for smoothies and more conveniently blend shakes, smoothies and other recipes with the included blending jar. Built with a reliable 1300W motor that handles daily kitchen tasks like kneading dough, mixing batter, and whipping cream with consistent performance. The 5L mixing bowl is ideal for everyday cooking and baking, allowing you to prepare sufficient quantities for regular household needs. Designed with a combination of metal and high-strength plastic gears, providing a balance of durability and smooth operation over time. Includes dough hook, beater, whisk, and an anti-splash bowl cover to handle a variety of kitchen tasks like kneading, mixing, and whipping, while minimizing spills for a cleaner experience. Features a stable base that reduces movement and vibration during use, ensuring a smoother and safer mixing experience. Tilt-up head design allows easy access to bowl and beaters, making ingredient addition and cleaning convenient. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Egg boiler. Its transparent lid allows you to monitor your eggs during the cooking process, ensuring perfect results every time with automatic turn off. With a 6-egg capacity, it can handle a variety of cooking styles, from soft and medium boiled eggs to perfectly poached eggs and even omelets. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Rolling pin. Premier quality tool designed for ease of use and hold. Equipped with bearings to ensure smooth movement. Smooth action easily rolls out pie crusts, dough for bread, biscuits, cookies, crafting clay, and more. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Frying pan. Ideal for variety of dishes, from breakfast to dinner, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. Comes in 1.5L capacity and 24 cm diameter size. It is compatible on induction oven and gas stove for maximum cooking flexibility in your kitchen. The riveted handle is firmly fixed, providing sturdiness, durability and firm grip. This cookware is non-toxic, durable, non-reactive and corrosion-proof. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Kneader. 650 watts power ensures quick and efficient performance as an atta maker machine for home use. 3L stainless steel bowl provides enough capacity to prepare dough for family-sized meals, making it the perfect flour kneading machine. 15-minute timer for automatic operation, providing consistent results with every use as a reliable atta kneader and dough maker machine. Designed as an electric atta gutne machine, it effectively kneads a variety of doughs with minimal effort. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Pot. Strong, sturdy, stay cool reinforced fiberglass lifting handles. Strong, sturdy riveted stainless steel bracket. Ergonomic fiberglass, stays cool, comfortable to hold. Designed to make lifting heavy loads easy. Unique lid for dum biryani, holds water, makes lid cooler. Steam condenses under lid, falls back into food. Cooks with less water, makes more flavorful. Biryani. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Sushi maker. Features an innovative grooved pattern that prevents rice and seaweed from sticking, ensuring smooth, even rolls with professional results, ideal for beginners and experts alike. The non-stick sushi mat rinses clean in seconds or tosses in the dishwasher. No lingering smells or stains, just quick hygiene. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Tadka pan. Is designed for preparing tadka, melting butter, reheating small quantities of food or quick heating of flavorful spices. Made from 3 mm thick aluminum material for healthier cooking and better heat conduction. The riveted handle is firmly fixed, providing sturdiness, durability and firm grip. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Chakla Belan set. Is a must-have for any kitchen, featuring a durable roti maker wooden design that ensures effortless chapati preparation every time. Premium quality wood, this wooden Chakla Belan kitchen tool is made from high quality, durable wood, ensuring its longevity and reliability. The wooden baleen is ergonomically designed for comfortable grip. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Kadai. Made from 100% natural cast iron, ensuring a healthy cooking experience. Free from chemicals and toxins, it enhances the nutritional value of your dishes. Adds essential iron content to your meals, helping to combat iron deficiency. Ideal for health-conscious cooks who want both delicious flavors and essential nutrients. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Puttu Maker. Prepares a variety of South Indian and traditional dishes like puttu, idli, dokla, and mini idli. Steam multiple servings at once, ideal for large families or gatherings. Combines multiple cooking functions in one unit, reducing kitchen clutter and maximizing space. Offers a modern, easy-to-clean surface that maintains a polished look. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Lunch Box. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, this container ensures durability and long-lasting use. It is rust-resistant and does not retain stains or odors, keeping your food safe and hygienic. Perfect for everyday use without compromising on quality. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Cooking Pot. With lid is built to withstand temperatures from 0 to 400, making it ideal for a wide range of cooking and storage environments. It is safe for use on electric infrared stoves, in ovens, refrigerators, dishwashers, and microwaves. The transparent glass bowl allows you to monitor the cooking process at a glance, making it easy to see how your food is progressing. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Wipes. Made from high-quality cotton cellulose that is soft yet durable, providing excellent absorbency and effective cleaning for various surfaces. Ideal for kitchen countertops, dishes, bathroom tiles, and general household cleaning tasks, making it a multi-purpose cleaning solution, also offering ample surface area for efficient cleaning and wiping of larger areas. Comes in a convenient pack of 5 multicolor wipes, ensuring you have enough supply for extended use and different cleaning needs. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Beaters. The powerful 150-watt blender with copper motor ensures a great performance. Adjust the speed with its 5 variable speed controls for mixing different ingredients. The inbuilt overheating protection will shut down the machine in case of overheating. Equipped with multiple beaters and dough hooks that make cooking easier. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Kitchen Sink. Built from high-grade 304 stainless steel and enhanced with a honeycomb nano coating, the sink offers exceptional durability, corrosion resistance, and a premium modern aesthetic that perfectly complements luxury kitchens. Generously sized with a deep 10-inch bowl, the sink provides ample capacity for oversized cookware, stock pots, and baking trays, making it ideal for both heavy-duty washing and daily family use. Equipped with a touchscreen digital display and LED control panel, giving you smart water management, mode customization, and stylish illumination, bringing a futuristic edge to your modern kitchen. Comes with an integrated waterfall faucet for wide, elegant water flow and a pull-down faucet for targeted washing, offering ultimate flexibility, ease, and convenience in cleaning tasks. Crafted from 3.0 mm collar premium stainless steel with a durable honeycomb embossed surface and nano black matte coating for superior scratch, rust, and stain resistance. Equipped with a flexible pull-down faucet offering multiple spray modes for efficient cleaning and easy reach across the sink. Crafted from premium stainless steel that is scratch-resistant, wear-resistant, heat-resistant, rust-proof, and non-deforming. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Kitchen Knife Set. High-carbon stainless steel blades for durability and long-lasting sharpness while providing a precise razor-sharp cutting edge that will keep you slicing time and again. All-in-one complete set of specialized kitchen knives consist of 13 professional knives, kitchen scissors, peeler, a premium quality 2-stage knife sharpeners and a modern acrylic knife stand. The durable non-stick color-coated blades of kitchen knives makes it a breeze to slice and clean. The ergonomically designed knife handle provide you with a superior comfort and non-slip grip for better control and balance. The best materials to update your cooking. This stainless steel knife set gives you superior blades coated with non-stick paint plus ergonomic PP handles. Sharp, sturdy and practical. No rust, stains or pitting here. Multipurpose chef knife set is the perfect combination of design and durability essential for everyday kitchen needs, featuring knives for all purposes. Transparent acrylic stand and black knife set is stylish and elegant. Acrylic stand is for space-efficient storage. Transparent acrylic stand allows you to see what kind of knife you are pulling out. For ultimate comfort and safe use, each knife features a soft, ergonomic handle for a secure grip when cutting. With a balanced weight and solid design, these knives make slicing and dicing easy. High-quality stainless steel blades for durability and long-lasting sharpness while providing precise knives' sharp cutting edge that will keep your slicing time, and again all in one complete set of specialized kitchen knives consist of 7 professional knives, a premium quality 2-stage knife sharpeners and a modern acrylic knife stand. Always clear the sharpener after use. Clean with a damp cloth or mild brush, wipe dry. It is lightweight and fits perfectly in drawer. Stainless steel and titanium are rust-proof and there is no existence of any kind of toxic particles. Product link is given in the 29th link.